Di ba dito yun? Crocodile meat. Good morning guys, it's day 2. So hindi na kami nakapag-closing video ng day 1. Pagod kami after the dinner and umuulan. So ano ba tayo to? Outdoor. We'll go for temples today, culture. Will be picked up ng aming Grab ng few minutes. So we'll have breakfast muna here. Right, and then let's go. Potato, sausages, pasta, eggs. Yes. Brunch na to guys kasi I think yung pupunta namin medyo malayo-layo. About an hour drive yata yung market. Market ba mauna ma? Yung floating market. But my lovely wife naka outdoor Hawaiian yata yan. And look at my little Tienza Polo. So ito yung kinakain namin. Loading up pasta, croissant, sausage, tsaka salad. Healthy-healthyhan. So after almost an hour and a half na drive, so outside Bangkok, we've reached the area for the floating market. So hindi naman kami mamimili actually. So we'd like to experience lang yung to ride yung boat and to see how it feels na yung area na to. Ayan si Mami. Hi! Let's go!
For trade fee, if like you can buy. For the temple, we have 3 temples. First, Lucky Temple, Sleeping Buddha Temple, and temple inside the tree. This is popular in here. Activity and show, we have so many first elephant riding, monkey show, crocodile show, long neck lady, tiger, ATV bike, and the real gun. This is program from here.
Mami. This is our boat guys. So, about 2 hours daw to guys, tong boat ride na to. Naalala ko ng bata ko, parang nasa Sapa lang ng ano.
Actually, para lang sa Sapa.
Para Sapa ng Pampanga.
Tingnan natin yung mga tenda.
Yes, so
Join us!
Sampalo.
Coconut, they have plenty of coconut products here. Because this is a
Sana daw yung pupuntahan natin ma? So,
Ampawa. This is Ampawa market.
oh,
Floating market. There are
Alright.
2 kinds of floating market. Damnoen and Ampawa. We are in Ampawa floating market. You will see residential.
so may mga bahay-bahay. Yeah, so as you move along, lumalawak yung ano, yung Sapa.
Kanal.
Yeah. Food,
Restaurant.
yung mga restaurant. So sabi dito, parahin lang daw namin si Kuya Bangka kung gusto namin yung dito. Mga paintings. Thai boats.
You want a pants, a girl? You want a shopping? Tell me I buy something. One more souvenir.
So ma'am, pag meron kang gusto, oh, pwede ka mag-drive-thru actually.
Ano to? Flow through.
Oo.
Ganda, oh, mga
Maganda.
what they call that, souvenirs.
Ganda ang mga panin.
Parang ito yung trabaho nila.
Opo lang. Ice cream. Yeah, we'll try one. How much?
Look come back na. I take care for you.
Alright. Coconut ice cream. We'll try.
Bili ka.
Sarap yan. Pang massage.
Ayun ka lang.
Sarap.
Morning.
Oo.
Ito lang pala yung pinapakita nila.
Apa.
Pilipino rin pala.
Taga saan po kaya?
Negros.
Sa Negros. Oh, all the way from Negros. Coconut. Ano yan? What's that, ma?
Coconut ice cream
Ano pala to?
with orchid.
Parang coconut farm. See? So, daming mga souvenirs, delicacies. Gusto ng mga ancient na display. Ito, painting yung kaharap.
Maganda yung chanela.
Okay. Ang ganda ng painting niya.
Ganda ng buo.
Okay. So parang may mini village sa kanan.
Temple.
Bahay ba yan? O village?
Di kayo na natin sa Mount Up. Ayan, natin tawag ka. Sawadikap.
My white shop.
Ah, this is your wife.
This is your wife.
You have a...
Ito na yung totoong market siguro talaga. Yan, may art ko sa dulo. Welcome to the floating market. Ang lawak na ng ano. Yan, parang may mga restaurants na rito. Mas marami na yung mga manual na sagwan dito mo. Supachai Gallery. Yeah, mga kainan na guys. Ayan. Anong lugar naman?
Damnoen.
Damnoen. Floating
Hindi
market.
tayo pupunta rito. So yun.
Sarap ng beer niya. Oh. Ayan, bili ka mangga mo, ha?
Noodle soup.
May crispy pata mo. Oh. Fish and chips.
Oh, ano yan?
Medyo high speed na si Kuya. Nagdidricks kami. So wala na kami sa market, para nasa residential area na to.
Kaya hindi kaya ng tagwan.
Ano na, nasa freeway na eh. Ayun na, babomba na naman to. There we go, round 2. Alright, so we're going to the Sleeping Buddha. Sabi, Sleeping Buddha daw to. Oh, we go inside. It's a huge temple. Laki oh. Enjoy ako doon. Sulit na ako doon sa boat.
Baka may ipon.
Sulit na ako doon sa boat ride. Saya. Ay, si Insan to eh. Yung Buddha sa loob, malaki. Ah, amazing. It's a huge lying down Buddha. Sorry, wala tayong translation guys. It's a reclining Buddha. Yung pinang-repair nila. Oo nga, no?
Lucky charm.
Habang rap.
Good, good. Yan.
Ayun siya, sa kabila.
Okay.
Right, tapos na kami sa Wat Mang Oy. I think we're heading back. So, how was it, Ma? How's the boat experience? Fun? Fun,
Pero
pawisan.
mainit.
Tanghali na tayo eh.
Pero okay lang. Malawak pa yung
Worth the travel ng 1.5 hours na drive for the experience. So, yan. At tinapon niya na yung basura natin. Heading back home. Let's go! Yun may bayad ng 20 pa. Mag-offer ka.
You know, we still have, thank you.
It's okay. Look at our photo. Hi guys, tapos na yung floating market experience namin. So,
After the boat, train naman.
we're heading to the train station.
They call it railway market.
Railway market, this one. Ay, dito na kami sa train station. Hi guys, ito yung famous na daanan ng train. So, left and right may mga kainan, coffee shops, souvenir. So, interesting to see mamaya kung paano mag-unfold lahat to kapag dumaan na yung train. But we'll find something. Gutom ka na ba, Ma? Are you hungry? Ayan. Souvenirs. Oh. Solid ang init, guys. So, gana muna tayo mag-Thai milk tea for the win. Okay. Let's go. So, mga around 3 p.m. daw dataan yung yung train. May drinks din, refreshment din. Meron silang indoor, and then pag dadatang na yung train, tatawagin kami nandun sa labas. Another Thai milk tea. Sarap. Sausage roll. Hi guys, so waiting kami sa in 10 minutes time darating na yung train. So watch na mag-unfold lahat yan. So parang parang dadatis.
Parang si Pope and Dad, they were actually train lang.
Okay, mga nasa ringside. Here comes the train. Sige, mahagi na cellphone mo. Hi!
Allez, une petite claque.
That's it. Ayan, you see the transformation, nabalik na sila. Alright, everyone. Balik na ulit. Normal. Done. So, balik na. Buko? You want? Eh, kaya lang hindi malamig. Baka hindi siya ma... Right, so meron pang isa about the uli ng 3:30 ng hapon. Pero hindi na namin antayin yun, guys. We're heading out to the next destination. Let's go! Guys, so binaba na kami ni Kuya. Nasa Icon Siam na kami sa mall.
Bait niya. Highly recommend it.
So for 1,000 Thai baht, dinala niya kami sa probinsya. Hindi ako mapaniwala, ganun lang yung presyo. Atid sundo, maghapon. And kahit saan mo gusto pumunta. So hindi ko alam kung nalugi siya doon o...
Siya pa nga nabitin sa...
So talagang ganun lang kamura. But recommended if you like. Let me know, pasa ko sa iyo yung number niya kung nasa Thailand kayo. So, highly recommended yung driver na
Saka
yun.
very pleasant siya.
Tinuturo niya lahat ng tips para makatipid. So, at dahil dyan, naghahanap na naman kami ng mga ngasap. Alright, sige guys, we'll update you later kapag nasa massage area na kami. Bye! Okay guys, nandito tayo sa food hall ng Siam. Tama, try it first to.
Try pot,
Yeah.
try. Sour mango.
Wow. Yung dip looks good oh. Try mo muna naman yung sausahan nila.
Thai dip.
Ang kawali mo. See. Pad kapraw guys. Durian. Fried chicken, papaya sa chicken, no? Si Riley, oh. Nagustuhan niya. Stewed pork leg with rice. Panalo to, guys. Ito naman, giant squid. Hello. Gusto niya, guys. See?
ไทยก็คอนด้วยกาลิกค่ะ
Tiger prawn, right?
คอนด้วยกาลิกค่ะ
Are you in for exotic?
Bamboo worm. Ito, you eat this.
Scorpion. Spider. Centipede. Pupae. Cricket. See? Who's up for crocodile meat? Oh, ha? Pad Thai? Ano sa'yo, mama? Kain ulit. Icon Siam. Si Madam. Ending the day with Thai massage. So 1 hour na foot, 1 hour na body. So malapit lang sa hotel namin. Sarap, wala pa.
Wala ko.
Oo, nag-start naman sa akin.